You guys have been asking for it, and I finally created it, the Writing Compelling Romance Novels course. I'm a New York Times, USA Today, Publishers Weekly, and Amazon best-selling author of 85 books published in 24 countries. I've sold 8 million copies of my books worldwide, and I have written, I don't know, maybe 60-ish romances for HarperCollins, Hachette, Berkeley, a whole lot of publishers. And in this course, I teach you exactly what I learned that took me from rejected to sold. I'm going to talk about tropes, creating characters, building your plot, and then the most important part, how to weave all those plots together. Because there's a lot going on in your romance and you want it to be tight but compelling and emotional. And this course is designed to teach you all of those things that I know. It includes 12 videos that are not at all available on the channel. They will only be available in the course, and they are specific to writing a romance novel. Take everything that I've learned and apply it to your own book so you can create one that readers absolutely love. And just for watching this video, add code YouTube to get an extra 10% off the price. The course is self-paced and you have lifetime access to it. So watch the videos, download the handouts anytime you want. And if you get stuck when you're writing your romance novel, you can come back and drop a question in the discussion section of the course and I will see it and answer it. So it's got everything you need so that you can start writing that amazing romance novel.